Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this portable bidet from Vetance. And so I do want to thank Vetance for actually gifting this to me. Let's go and get started. So what you have here is a portable bidet. And essentially how it works is that you have to pull this out. And then this is going to be the water chamber that fills up. So you simply just fill this up with water. And then once you fill it up with water, you now have water to actually use the spray. So you flip this nozzle open, and then this is a rechargeable bidet, and it uses a Type-C cable to recharge. So all you've got to do is press the power button and hold it, and it's going to turn on. This is where the water sprays out. So if I press and hold it and then press this to actually spray, it's actually a decent spray, okay? So I could actually imagine that this is going to be used to actually go ahead and remove debris. But it has different spray modes, and you can see that this is the water that it uses. And it also comes with different head attachments as well, in case this one gets a bit unsanitary. But overall, I'd say that this bidet is pretty good as far as usage goes, and the water spray is actually pretty strong. But overall, I'd say I've had no problems with it whatsoever.